There are two big killers of cash flow that every real estate investor needs to know about. We're going to talk about them right now. For those that have read my book, Mistake-Free Real Estate, you'll know that I harp on the two big killers of cash flow being vacancy and maintenance. You've got a lot of things to analyze when you're purchasing an investment property. You kind of have fixed categories and variable expense categories. Your fixed being your taxes, insurance, management fees, HOA dues, utilities, your principal and interest payment on your mortgage. Those are all fixed expenses. The variable expenses on your pro forma income statement are going to be how much vacancy can I attribute to this investment and how much maintenance am I going to have every year. To determine those two things on your variable side of the equation just takes a guesstimate, right? You're trying to estimate how much I'm going to have on this upcoming investment for vacancy and maintenance factor. Vacancy and maintenance is totally controllable with dialed-in property management. That's how critical property management is to the investment that you have lined up. So now you have to choose, am I going to hire a professional or do it myself? If you hire a professional, they're going to be controlling things such as screening the tenant, tenant relations, code compliance and city compliance, evictions and legal proceedings, the communication factor, reporting, HR, hiring, holding contractors accountable. All of these issues are critical to controlling the vacancy and maintenance and performance of your asset. If you choose to do that yourself, if you have the time and experience to do it, or if you're someone that just wants to learn how to do it and you kind of learn by doing, that's how I did it. I actually had my own property management before I outsourced it to the property management company. I was just doing it myself. You certainly learn along the way. I would highly encourage if you have the time to do that. Now, if you're a doctor, a dentist, a lawyer, a salesperson that's really, really high income, that's really good at what you do, and you can afford to pay a professional to do it, by all means. For those that are just starting out, not a bad practice to go and try and do it yourself to learn and appreciate what a dialed-in property management company can do for you. So regardless if you do it yourself or you hire a professional management company and you're trying to be a passive investor, remember to focus on the two big variables, the two killers of cash flow, which are vacancy and maintenance. Good luck in your real estate investing. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell for sure. We love to educate as many people as possible, so if you can do that for us, that helps us educate more people, and we certainly appreciate you watching.